right like that.
Nice. Got one. What's up, everybody? I'm out here today with Andrew. We're doing some fishing, some local fishing, and we're gonna see what we can do. Today's the storm. I don't know if you can see all the clouds in the sky, but it's August and we have a completely cloudy day. So yeah, we're gonna get out there, cast our lines, and see what we can do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get fishing. All right, let's catch some fish. I'm gonna cast on top of that weed pile right there. Seen some bait fish activity right there.
You see?
Yeah, little bait fish popping over here.
There are like hundreds of traps. I might try the rock there.
Okay.
In this angle.
Yeah.
Last time I saw a pretty big one just hanging around.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah. Okay, I think with this little bit of wind, I'll bring out the chatterbait. Could be a good move. So we found a corner with bait. Something was biting it. Got one. Got one. Hey, Andrew. 1 pounder.
Congratulations. Dude,
Woo!
that's amazing. Hell yeah.
Knew I felt something trying to bite it. Let's go. Little guy. Yeah. Little homie right here. I felt him on the first couple of tries. He just missed it. There he goes. Bloop. It's one fish more than none fish. One. It's a weird hook set too. I'm not used to setting the hook left-handed. Alrighty. Well, no skunk. No skunk. Got the skunk out of the boat pretty quickly. It's a windy morning. Casting the bank near the dam. The chatterbait. Thought the chatterbait might be a good idea because of this wind. Guess what? Caught a fish. Was it an awkward hook set? Yes, it was. Did it work? Yes, it did. Any signs of life down that way?
No, just searching and cramping.
Yeah.
Big cramping.
I caught a almost like 1 pounder.
You did?
Yeah, on the chatterbait.
Oh.
Yeah.
You didn't land it though?
I landed it. Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Just down, casting towards the dam and retrieving down the bank. Yeah. I missed the hit one time and I cast back and it struck it again. Oh look, there's a little crankbait down there. We'll pick that up in a second. Let's pick up this little crankbait. Yeah, the hooks don't even look too rusted on this thing. It's pretty cool. Got one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Kinda cute.
Oh look, yeah, it looks like the same size as mine, about 1 pound.
Yeah.
Nice. So they are in that corner where the bait is. Makes sense.
They took my bait.
Ah, that Jimmy got his revenge for you hooking him. Yeah, there's a million little bait fish pushed up into that pocket, so it only really makes sense that the bass are going to be right there. So that's where all their food is. You would think over here there might be a fish. Just maybe. Little pocket for them to push the bait into. Flat to a steep. Good little transition, you know? Good little decent transition. Some differing structure and all that good stuff. Wonder what the last year that they allowed boats on this reservoir was. Something tried to eat it right there. Was it a bass? Was it a catfish? I don't know. But there was definite bite there for a second. Okay, that was a bite again. Obviously not big enough to eat the lure, I guess, but a very obvious bite nonetheless. It's the second time it's tried to eat it, whatever it is. Okay. That was a carp. So he might have just been bumping a carp over and over again. That might be what was happening. Carp scared me though. Carp definitely gave me a little jump scare right there. I don't know, it felt like bites though. Didn't feel like we were just dragging over the top of a carp. It felt like it was pulling back on the line, you know? Who knows? We'll never know because we didn't hook it. Look at all those birds. What the heck? What are those birds doing? They all just came down, dove at the water, and now they're flying up high again. It's weird.
That's crazy.
It's pretty cool to see.
Yeah. Are they preying on bugs or bait or?
Bugs, or I don't know what kind of birds those are, you know?
Those are, I know only in Japanese, but I forgot.
Are they like sparrows or swallows or something?
They usually eat bugs. I think the bugs are surrounding on the surface.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll throw a frog there and see if anything happens. You never know. But usually where there's grass, there's at least bait fish. Nothing hit the frog. A bunch of little bait fish flipping out. Somewhere over here there's some big submerged boulders and crap too. If we don't catch anything here soon, do you want to go check out the other side?
Yeah.
Cool. Got one. Pretty decent one too. There we go. Just dragging a Texas rig. There we go. I need to find part of my reel handle in a second. All right, y'all. This is the big one of the day. See how, right like that? It's fat. He's got some sharp teeth. It's probably about 1.5 pounds, pushing, maybe pushing 2 with this belly. But have a little pet. We're gonna throw you back. All right. Have a good life, Jimmy. All right. 4 fish today.
Yep.
4 fish today. When I was reeling, the face of my handle came off.
Wait, no. Oh.
Or the face of the, not handle, but you know, whatever these
Yeah, I lost that one
spinny
time.
parts are called. It's somewhere on the ground here. We're gonna look for it and we're gonna get back. Probably went down into
Oh, I
that.
found it.
Ah, good eye. Thank you, Andrew.
Oh my god, so many bass. The baby.
There's some bigger ones here. First time I came here, where we're standing was a little above ankle deep in water. Yeah, less pressure than the other side, but at this point of the year, they definitely have some significant pressure. Yeah, like I got an army of little guys following my frog right now. I haven't seen a spot in here yet, but it doesn't mean they're not in here. Got one on the, oh.
No, God!
On the frog, no.
God, please, no! No!
Ah, how did I not get him, dude?
No!
Damn, dude, that was like a 2.5 pounder I just lost. Still a little salty about missing that frogfish earlier. Dang. This whole thing is out of the water now. That's crazy. Yeah, we used to wade through water right here and get up on top here. Huh.
Alright, I got it.
Let's go, dude.
Decent size. Oh! No, ow! It went on a tree, damn it. Still moving though, still moving.
Okay. He'll come out, he'll come out.
Okay. Ah! Again. It's cute size. I catch you on that.
Don't let him go in that tree.
Oh, buddy.
Nice. It's about the same size as the That one I caught on the Texas rig, huh?
Yep.
Nice. Alrighty. Alright y'all, so as you probably see, I forgot to record an outro. So we went fishing during the morning on one of the days when the storm was passing through. And you know, like, it's late August, these fish are really picky. They've seen a lot of lures throughout the past however many months since the beginning of spring. The water's hot, they're slow, but we were able to get on some. I flubbed that frog bite, but between the two of us, a total of 6 fish were caught and 8 fish bit, so pretty good morning. Just a little half day of fishing, but even when the conditions are tough, you know, you throw the right things, you get to the right spots, and you find the right fish, and you can still have a good day. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time. Peace.